Alrighty, the new signals are in and active here at the East Street grade crossing on the IAIS Blue Island Sub in DePue, Illinois. As you can see, we got two brand new WCH signals here, pretty similar to what IAIS has been installing a lot of around here. You look here at the northern signal, got the single-sided progress rail base. Got 12 by 24 inch WCH flatback frames with GE uniform look LEDs inside of them. Here's the dot tag, dot number 603840B. Gate mechanism has a GSI gate saver. Got side lights on this signal now. The old signals did not. Side view of all lights. Got WCH style 4 gate mechanism. And of course, like all other new IAIS installs around here, we got a 3rd gen WCH mechanical bell. This crossing had a GS Type 2 before, so this is quite the change for this crossing. Back view of the lights. The gate here has a new striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Here's a back view of the northern signal. Here's another view looking north now. We'll get a look here at the new southern signal. Same thing, 12 by 24 inch WCH frames with GE uniform look LEDs. Dot tag again. Single-sided progress rail base, GSI gate saver. Side view lights. This also has a WCH style 4 gate mechanism. Back view of the lights. This gate also has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. And here's a back view of the southern signal. And finally, here's the new relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. If you remember before, this had a relay case and an old concrete bungalow in the southeast quadrant. The smaller relay case is what was being used for the crossing. The concrete bungalow might have been used for wayside signals in the past, but now they're both gone and replaced by this new PT&W bungalow. So yeah, another crossing finished. With that one down there, they now have 12 of the 19 crossings done. We just got the one in Tuscalwa, the one in Putnam, one in Henry, and then 4 south of Chillicothe that have conduit at it now. That should have new signals by the end of the year. But yeah, with this done, this has been the East Street grade crossing. Rest in peace, CSX signals.